welcome to the Coder's Desk. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn decision control instructions. So what do you mean by decision control instructions? As the name suggests, we can understand that some decisions are made. Depending on those decisions, we pass the control to certain set of statements. That is, we execute say statements XYZ or statements ABC based on the decisions that are made over here. And these are nothing but instructions given to the computer. Therefore, they are called as decision control instructions. In our daily lives, we do make a lot of decisions. For example, if I say, if it is raining, what do you want to do? Sit at home and drink a cup of tea. Right? Else, go outside and play. Go outside, play with friends. Cricket. Play cricket with friends. So here I want to highlight the word if and else. This is nothing but an construct in C language as well. We have something called as the if statements. If are nothing but your decision control statements. So for example, your construct is something like this: if condition statements do XYZ actions. Your statements are nothing but the actions that you need to perform if the condition is met. Else statements, if the condition is not met, what do you need to do? You have to specify it in the else block. This is nothing but your if else statement. And if can stand alone on its own. It doesn't always need to have an else statement, but an else cannot stand on its own. It always needs to have an if statement. So for conditions, how do we test the conditions? We have something called as the relational operators. These are nothing but your greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, etc. For example, if I have to check if your marks are greater than say 60, you have first class. So your number would be, if your marks are greater than 60, printf first class. Else printf not a first class degree, not a first class, not first class, right? So this is how it works. You can use the relational operators to test the conditions. Now, do we always need relational operators? Do we always need relational operators? Operators. So what does if actually does? See, these conditions, they return some value. It is either 0 or a non-zero value. If a condition is met, it will return 1. If a condition is not met, it will return 0. So what it does is, if it is a non-zero value, it considers it as true. So I can as well write something like if three statements, this will execute always. I can also write as if minus 5 statements, this will always execute always. If I write if 0, this will never execute because there is a 0 number here. If it is non-zero, is 0 non-zero? No, it is not. So it will never execute. It will always go into the else block. Now let's get into nested if conditions. What is nested if conditions? For example, I have to check if it is raining and do I have cricket, what we call them, accessories required to play cricket? Do I have both of them? If it is not raining and do I have the accessories to play cricket, then what I will do is I will go and play cricket with friends. So how can you write this statement? If not raining, then check if I have accessories to play cricket. Then printf play cricket. Close this, else here also you might have to write else don't play, else I'm not sure if this is visible, else let me just move this somewhere else. Else don't play cricket. I'm not being very specific about the syntax right now. I'm just trying to help you understand the concept, how this flow works. I hope that is clear, right? This is all about your if statements. This is all about your if statements, nested if statements. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe if you find this videos informative.